Hey everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be guiding you through how to customize these stylish, metallic finish sublimation mugs with the HPN Signature Series Mug Press. Now, if you enjoy our tutorial videos, live episodes, and all that we do here at Heat Press Nation, be sure to like this video. And to keep up to date, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell to catch new videos from us as soon as they're up. Let's get started. If a ceramic white sublimation mug doesn't provide enough pizzazz for your transfers, we've got some shimmering alternatives ready to make them shine. Despite their metallic finish, these ceramic 11-ounce mugs in gold and silver have been coated to hold sublimation dyes just like any other blank. As their finish provides a lovely background for your transfers, these mugs are great for parties, weddings, company events, or any occasion needing a little glamour. If you've applied transfers onto white sublimation mugs before, you'll find that this same process will apply to most, if not all, sublimation mugs, regardless of their style. And with the right mug press, customizing these is just as straightforward and fun. While preparing your image to transfer, however, you'll need to keep the mug's color in mind, as it'll influence the image's look once applied. On that note, black and white images will look best when sublimated onto these mugs. As soon as your image is ready, go ahead and print it through your sublimation printer. For Sawgrass printers, send it to Sawgrass Print Manager and use these settings. Substrate set to ceramic mug, paper set to your paper's profile, leave the mirror option checked, and change the color in the color tab to either photographic or vivid, depending on your image's detail. Once you're ready, click Print on SPM. Now that the transfer has been printed, trim around the image, wrap it around your mug while centered to its handle, and then secure it in place with strips of heat tape on both the left and right edges. Turn on your mug press and set it to 190 seconds at 385 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. As soon as your machine reaches temperature, you can place your prepared mug inside the heating element and press it. By default, the Signature Series Mug Press is ready to press many sublimation mugs with the standard 11 to 15 ounce heating element. Although it doesn't hurt to fine-tune your pressure before pressing your mug. The quad point pressure system easily allows you to apply consistent pressure onto the entire mug. After 190 seconds, open your mug press and bring the mug out to cool down. After a few moments, quickly peel the transfer off and this mug now shines with your image. To learn more about sublimation mugs, the Signature Series Mug Press, and other products, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, feel free to get in touch with our MyExpert representatives at support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.